Mientras que está llegando una clausura de Green Aruba, Europe Meets the Americas, por mirar atrás un simán sumamente exitoso, camino orador han invitado exterior a sostener visión de un Aruba más sostenible.
The Prime Minister has a vision for Aruba that the United States strongly believes in, particularly around this issue of sustainable energy and moving toward a greener Aruba. And I'm here for the conference tomorrow to speak and to demonstrate that the United States supports the Prime Minister's vision, and we look forward to deepening the partnership we have.
It's our view that Aruba and Prime Minister Ayman in particular have shown exceptional leadership in the area of renewable energy, sustainable development. That really is the focus of the conference, those areas, but importantly the focus of the conference, as I understand it, will also be the business of renewable energy, because it's not only an important goal to be more energy self-sufficient and self-reliant, but also there's good business in that, and that's very much the focus as well.
Nou, wat ik heel belangrijk vind is dat ik denk dat binnen het Koninkrijk goed is dat we elkaar ondersteunen bij dit soort conferenties. Ik denk dat Green Aruba heel veel kansen biedt voor bedrijven, zeker ook uit Nederland. Maar Aruba ook een springplank kan zijn van een bedrijf uit Zuid-Amerika, Midden-Amerika naar Europa toe. Dus ik denk dat de aandacht om die met elkaar hier op de kansen te vestigen, dat is eigenlijk mijn belangrijkste doel om dat te zijn.
The key thing is the Caribbean has to achieve energy security, and the way to achieve energy security in the Caribbean is to take advantage of the natural resources that they have at their disposal. Sun, water, wind, and to utilize all of these elements with traditional energy resources so that they can achieve a sustainable energy security in their islands.
Cada de orador ng aquí te quiere firmemente que Aruba tinture componente necesario para lograr llegar a un Aruba más sostenible.
That Aruba is a key gateway to Europe, both for Europeans in the Caribbean, but also for the countries of the Western Hemisphere to have a window into Europe and to have a point of entry. The Kingdom of the Netherlands' presence here in Aruba demonstrates that Europe is in the region as well.
Essa aqui está de 5 conferências de Green Aruba e de 2 conferências de Europe Meets the Americas.